Hey there, how's it going? Back from a little break from making videos here. This is going to be a quick tour update of the basement tropicals and carnivorous plants, mostly Pinguicula. So here we've got an aloe. The tag's gone. Well, it's going back to flower anyways, so see there? Nice flowering plant. This is, I think it's called the ponytail palm. It's starting to grow a bit. It had some really etiolated leaves from the store. It's healing. So down here, these are some little haworthias. I forget what kind of species they are. All my other ones seem to have died. At least I saved these little pups here. Over here I've got a tray of plants I made at Christmas time. Some succulents, echeverries and aloes and whatnot. And over here, just in my house, something. Got an Angraecum orchid, African violet, various assorted cactus and succulents. That tree there was a miracle fruit, I think it's called. Here I've got a Phalaenopsis wedginae or whatever, Philadelphia hybrid. These are some carnivorous plants, Pinguicula primuliflora and Drosera capillaris or something like that, spatulata, I think. Pinguicula gigantea, compared to my hand. Humongous. There's another one. And another one. Down here, some sundews. Little seedlings. Hopefully that's focused because I can't see. Some Pinguicula. African violet and whatnot. Some more Pinguicula here. And another gigantea baby here. And I'll give you a moment here to show you how they grow. This will focus. See that little growth there is going to be a Pinguicula gigantea. Here I've got some sphagnum moss. You can see how thick it is. Very, very thick. A few years old. Wait, not even a year old actually, sorry. I misspoke there. Got some Droseras here. Drosera capensis. And more Pinguicula, various ones. Bulbophyllum sycamensis here. Malavera, another blue African violet. Down here I've got another bulbophyllum. That's a longiflorum. This is the terrarium. This will get its own update eventually again. Over here, got a African violet I poached a cutting off of from a hospital. Well, my Nona was there. This is a bigger one from the same place. And that's a Angraecum. Some cactus seedlings. And succulents, Pinguicula, more cactus. Nepenthes, various carnivorous plants here. More carnivorous plants. Nepenthes. Big old tray here. This is a log from Lake Ontario. Succulents and Pinguicula and sundews here. African violet cuttings. Some orchids. Succulents. I just stepped on bottle lid. African violet. Succulents over here. some bromeliads, various bromeliads here. And yep, bromeliads. I got helium 4 underwater to help get rid of its scale. I've got some plants I'm growing on mounts, pinguiculas, more giganteas here, more pinguicula, more anensis, succulents, aloe here. This is a tray where some ferns started to grow from spores that I did not buy or plant. They came in the air. Here's a Nepenthes. Cryptanthus are strewn about, and another Nepenthes. Swamp Thing action figure from a long time ago. Oh, that light is very bad. Got a recently replanted section of carnivorous plants here. Pinguicula gigantea, Marnensis, Primuliflora. On the bottom left you'll see Moctezuma, some Drosera capensis, Matricularia in there, Nepenthes, yep, mosses and sphagnum moss, all kinds of stuff. Here's a snake plant. Over here is a big tray of Pinguicula and whatnot. And this is a new curiosity, a Dickia or Dikia or Dikia, I don't know how to say it, and either way you say it, it sounds really weird. It's a bromeliad, and it hurts to touch. This is some ferns I rescued from this tray because it's too dry. And now, over to here. Quick little preview of the terrarium here. I'm not going to name any of those plants because it'll take too long. And some succulents. Plants in a shoe, which are doing really good. Haworthias, aloes over here. Snake plant. Over there is a Aglaonema. Over here is some more succulents. Here's my pinguicas I'm going to try and sell again this year. An aloe for squirrel protection, so that if squirrels are outside, it's going outside to hurt the squirrels basically. Squirrels are going to be in a world of pain this year. Some more pinguicula here. My main stock. They're coming out of hibernation. This is another miracle fruit. Peace lily there. Dwarf banana. That white stuff is powder that kills insects, so it's not insects themselves. This is a tray of fern spores that are not growing. That thin thing is the thin thing, wispy thingy there is ginger. Here I've got an aloe. You can see on the top it's regrowing as I cut it. And I think that's about it. Here's another aloe. And this is the sick area. Not looking too good. These plants are doing alright though, so that's all that matters to me. Oh, and final bit. Newly planted, glorious looking terrarium. Or tray, I don't know what this would be. Some succulents here. This is Drosera adelae. Very shiny. It's covered in sphagnum moss at the roots there. And it's got various pinguiculas hanging out. See all the rootlings here growing off the roots. Like suckers off of a tree or something. And yeah. That's the tour. A bit longer than I thought. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe.